Hey class, just looking at how to do this this shape, which is number 3 on the website. Obviously there's a lot of arrows and everything going around here. I'll prefer for you to use a mouse if you got one, because that makes life a lot easier. If not, you'll still be able to do it. So now this shape is pointing me to start at this point. I'm going to click and hold it down. I'm holding down my click at the moment. While I do that, I'm going to try and extend the anchor points from the node. So the middle of the line is called the node. The two ends are called the anchor points. The anchor points just give the line a direction, whereas the node is where the line passes from or passes through. Once I've stretched it enough, I'll let it go. At the moment I don't have the mouse clicked. Once I go to the second node, I'll click, hold and stretch. Same again, click, hold and stretch. And the last one, click, hold and stretch. Pretty much once you're done with that, it'll close the figure for you. Right, I'm going to do it in another shape so you know what we're doing. Every point in time you'll see these keys pop up, so I'm going to show you again. So if I clear stage, which is Control X, Alt X, okay. Now start from this point, we stretch it to match that. The anchor point needs to match there. Once you've got it, you're not letting the mouse click go. Instead, you tap and hold the Alt key that lets you move the second anchor point. Let the mouse go at this point in time. Now, what's happening is your profile is going to be this floating shape wherever you want it. So I'm going to go to the next node. Click on the node and stretch down until you can match the line underneath. Once you've matched it, again, without releasing the click, press and hold down the Alt key and match the anchor point on the other side. Now let it go. As you can see, you'd be able to go to the next node and it probably automatically finish because it's symmetrical on both sides. So click and you're done. Keep going through the exercises, and if you get stuck, obviously I'm always here to help you out. Thanks for listening. Happy learning.